Hello traders and welcome to OptionsXO's London Session Daily Market Review for Monday, June 27. Friday showed the results of the Brexit vote in Britain, where the public decided to leave the EU at 51% to 49%. Global equities plunged in response. In the North Americas, the dollar soared 2.3% on closing Friday following Britain's vote to Brexit from the Euro bloc. U.S. indexes reacted with declines. The Dow Jones Industrial fell 3.7%, the S&P 500 fell 4.1%, and the Nasdaq fell 4.5%. The U.S. rate hike outlook turned to negative, dropping any hopes on raising the Fed's rates anytime soon. Reuters' U.S. consumer sentiment was down to 93.5 from 94.3. High-risk aversion was marked with Friday's plunges, with Monday looking to experience a U.S. bank test run, which measures major capital banks' response to extreme shocks. In Europe, choosing to leave the EU cost the pound 7.5% of declines, persisting into the Asian Monday session, while the FTSE plunged 3.1% in Britain. The Bank of England's Carney reassured the public of large coin reserves in international currency, stressing the ability to fuel the economy with more volumes out of the reserve to aid market recovery. The Euro Stoxx set a record day plunge of 9.84%, the DAX plunged 7.4%, the Swiss franc fell by 1.3% to the dollar, and the CAC lost around 8%. The euro continued Friday's declines during the Asian Monday session. Moving on to Asian markets, in Asia, the Nikkei fell 8.1% as investors fled equity markets, causing the yen to increase by 3.4% at the end of Friday trading, while Monday saw the Nikkei fluctuating around ground zero. The Kospi dropped 3%, while the Shanghai index kept losses to a minimum of 1% amidst Friday's market turmoil, with a similar downside momentum persisting through Monday trading. Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar both saw declines against the dollar over the turmoil. In commodities highlights, gold soared almost 5% as risk-fleeing investors sought calm in safe haven assets. Market volatility rose after the British vote. Cocoa plunged 5%, coffee plunged 4.3%, cotton plunged 1.27%, crude fell 5%, while in metals, silver rose 2.4% and platinum 2.1%. Other commodity futures also marked the historic vote in the red. And here are today's important economic events. U.S. Market Services PMI will be published at 4:45 p.m. GMT. The Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index for June will be in at 5, and the U.S. Bank stress tests later on today. That was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.